Most Portuguese words have gender. They could be masculine, feminine, or neuter. Definite article the in English has no gender, but some languages have a definite article for a masculine word and another one for a feminine word. In Portuguese, a definite article for a masculine word is o, and for a feminine word is a. So let's see how we use them. These words are masculine. Most masculine words don't end with an A in Portuguese. Dia ends with an A, but it's a masculine word, o dia. These words are feminine. Normally, words ending with an A are feminine. These words can be in the plural form. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. O carro, o país, o computador, o nome, o livro, o dia, a casa, a bicicleta, a vida, a noite, a rua, a cidade. Até mais!